Well, this is the update everyone's been waiting for. So this is the Remarkable 2 right here. And let's get started. Handwriting search. Wow. Handwriting search. See search results that match all your notes, both handwriting or typed, digital text and scribbles. So before we do that, what we're going to do is we're just going to cancel out for a second, and we're going to update installed. All right, I just want to search for something. Okay, so this says 90 minutes. Let's hop out of there. I want to search for 90 minutes. Let's see. 90. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Well done, Remarkable. This is a game changer. This is like my iPad I use so much with GoodNotes because I can search for everything and I handwrite a lot, right? Oh my gosh, can we get out that way? No, we have to press cancel. That's okay. We can get out because we're actually in the document, and then cancel again. So this is your search. Oh, wow. Oh, that is awesome. I speak to quite a few people and this is an absolute game changer. Having said that, I just want to make a quick note that my Paper Pro doesn't have it yet. And I don't know if that's the same for everyone, but I've checked updates for quite a bit and I'm on 3.20 still. So I don't know what's going on. This is 3.22. This does not have searching. So that's interesting. That's interesting. But let's just celebrate that it's here. And I just wanted to celebrate that and pop it on the channel. That's awesome. And yes, I've got new content coming. I'm expanding into business coaching and a few other things. So you will see some more content from me around Remarkable, GoodNotes and business coaching as well. Awesome. All right. Any love on the channel is always appreciated. I will see you in the next one.